You've been making beats for months, searching on YouTube how to make money online, how to make passive income as a music producer, but you're not getting anywhere. This video is for you. Now, the first thing you want to do is sell something. You don't have to think too much about it. There are only two types of things you gotta sell. Number one being product. Number two is a service. Now, with the product, most music producers sell beats online through platforms like BeatStars, Airbeat, Buybeats. There's plenty of them. You can go check them out. It's not super easy to sell beats online, especially when you're making a genre that's oversaturated. So if you want to sell type of beats right now, I'd suggest you sell Amapiano because it's popping, and African trap like the one from Lesotho and South Africa, and or create your own blend of genres and make your own sound. But when you make your own sound, the thing is, it's not gonna be easy to get it to be popular to a point where artists want to buy the beat. If you're a good sound designer, or you like recording nature, or like recording things that are not really ordinary, you can create your own drum kit or sound pack and sell it. But here's the trick though. If you're selling a kit that already exists, chances are you're not gonna get buyers. So what I did last year was I did a research to see what music producers were needing, and I had a lot of DMs about the sounds that I was using, so I really had an advantage to, so find out what the music producers need. It's either you go record sounds somewhere and then you engineer them through your DAW, then sell the kit, or do a research and see what the market needs. Now, when it comes to services, this one depends on where you are and what the people around you need. So in my case, I get a lot of DMs where people want mixing and mastering. So I think if I do focus on that, I can make some money. But in your case, you might have a mic, an interface, and a well-performing laptop. You can do studio sessions and record, charge per hour. Easy money right there. Or if you don't have the mic or a powerful computer or whatever, you can do custom beats. Now with custom beats is that you can target artists who go on TikTok and do like verses on songs or remixes. You can target them and say to them, look, this verse is dope, I can make a beat around it and we can make a song. And if they're keen, then you tell them, yo bro, I charge for this, I charge this much. But because you approach them, you gotta make sure that you get them by doing some discounts, or maybe sometimes doing it for free, just to get a song with them, especially if they are good. If they are good, sometimes you just gotta do it for free because you're gonna get credited and get some percentage. It's fine, you get what I'm saying? So with services, you can do that. You can record artists, mix and master, make custom beats. This is for a music producer. But you can also do other things. For example, you can do artwork, you can do lyrics, if you're into making other side hustles. By the way guys, if you want me to do all side hustles that are related to entertainment, leave a comment below, because I know a lot of side hustles and I've done a lot of them and I'm still doing some. Remember, on this video here, I mentioned that I survive on side hustles. They are in the entertainment industry. They are not inside music per se, but they're inside the entertainment industry. Now, the second other way to make money is through content creation. Give me a listen. I know you heard this a lot of times, but everybody who's telling you how to make money online or how to make money in any way, they have one thing in common. They're all making content, including me. I'm making this video right now. It's content to teach you how to make money. So this is one of the things that you can do to make money. Get your face on a camera. Not necessarily get your face on a camera, but give some value to the people who are watching, your audience, your fans, people who like you. I think you guys like me, don't you? If you like me, guys, leave a like on this video and also subscribe. Please subscribe. I need to subscribe. When it comes to content, there are 3 ways you can make money. Number 1 being sponsorships. This one for me, it hasn't been easy. I've been getting a lot of rejections for sponsorships, but I'm patiently grinding to get one. The second one is AdSense. So I'm making a little bit of coins on this YouTube video right here. The third one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically you referring people to something. For example, in the description link, I'm gonna refer you guys to the camera that I'm using. It's actually my iPhone XR, and maybe my keyboard and maybe my laptop. That's affiliate marketing. What does it mean? It means when you guys go and use those links, I get a little bit of a percentage. But then again, it also takes you back to creating content, because for you to get sales on your affiliates, you have to be putting yourself out there or putting something out there so people can notice you and acknowledge you and then click your links. Now, after content creation, we are on the third one, which is streams. The word streams doesn't really make sense on itself, but you already make beats. That's one thing for sure. Now, you can upload your beats to platforms like Spotify, iTunes, Tidal. I would advise you to not upload the beats that you are selling, because again, if you upload the beats that you are selling, it might happen that on your Spotify your fans like that beat, and then now someone buys it, exclusive rights, now you have to take it down. You see, you're disappointing your fans now. Have separate beats that you sell, then separate beats that you upload. I know it's not something that's gonna be easy, but yeah, I'd advise you do that, because even when it comes to the arrangement of the beats, it shouldn't be the same. The beats that you sell to artists and the beats that you upload, the arrangement shouldn't be the same. Now, all these things that I said and mentioned, they don't happen overnight. They will never happen overnight. So it needs you to work. Be consistent. Do it every day. Do it every day. Do it even when you don't want to do it. So then it's gonna work, you know. Now, don't tell anyone this thing, man. This is the one thing you can do to make even more money selling beats. Don't tell anyone. So what you can do is, if you have artists, like artist friends, or you have anyone who is in music or who knows anybody who makes music, what you can do is, maybe let's say you're charging $10, right? You charge $10 and they come with a customer, they're gonna get $2 from that sale. You can do that. It's also affiliate, but you're doing it yourself. Or you can offer them a percentage in the song that you guys create. For example, if right now you know someone who might know Travis Scott, tell them that you're gonna give them like 10% of your percentage if they get you a song with Travis Scott. Understand?